Everyone, so welcome to the mathematical implementation of Legendre symbol. So this is a type number 4 problem. In type number 4, here we have 5 subtype of problem. Here we have type A, type B, type C, type D and type E. But from the type A to type C, here we have to solve the problem using Legendre symbol. And while in type number D and E, here we are going to calculate Jacobi symbol, right? So now let's start with the type number A. In type number A, now they are saying find the Legendre symbol of the values a equal to 2 and m equal to 5, right? So we'll start with the problem solving part now. So here we have the type 4 problem. Type 4 in since total 5 type of problem are there: type A, type B, type C, type D and type E. So we are starting with the type A. In type A they are saying find the Legendre symbol value for the given data. Here we have the value of a equal to 2, right? Here they have given a equal to 2. At the same time they have given m. M is nothing but 5. Or here you can consider it as a p also, right? Because it is a prime number and this is a m, right? In you know the standard format of modulus is something like a raised to mod of m, right? So second operand is always called m, so that's why here they have given m, but here m is nothing but equal to 5 and is a prime number, so here we can add m equal to 5 and 5 equal to p, right? So now they are saying here we have to calculate Legendre symbol values, right? Since we know the formula of the Legendre symbol is denoted by a divided by b inside the bracket, and the formula is a raised to p minus 1 divided by 2 mod of p, right? So this is the formula. By using this formula we can calculate Legendre symbol value. So we'll apply this formula over here. So now since we know that Legendre symbol is calculated using the formula a, the Legendre symbol of a and p is equal to a raised to p minus 1 divided by 2, right? P minus 1 divided by 2 and mod of p. So since here we have a is nothing but equal to 2, so we'll write 2 and m is nothing but equal to 5, right? Or m is nothing but p only, so here we'll put 2. Here we have to calculate Legendre symbol of 2 and 5. So this is equal to 2 raised to p is nothing but equal to 5, and so 5 minus 1 divided by 2 mod of p, right? And p is nothing but equal to again 5 only. So 5 minus 1 will be nothing but how much? 5 minus 1 will be 4, or 4 by 2 will be 2. So here we have to calculate 2 raised to 2 mod of 5. And since 2 raised to 2 is nothing but 4, and 4 mod of 5. And 4 mod of 5, but you know that 4 mod of 5 also can be written as minus 1 mod of 5, because minus 1 mod of 5 again will be equal to 4, and 4 mod of 5 is 4 only, right? So here we can say, so therefore Legendre symbol of 2 and 5 is equal to nothing but, here we have minus of 1, right? So minus 1 mod of 5 is nothing but equal to minus 1 only. So here we have calculated Legendre symbol of 2 and 5 is nothing but equal to minus 1. I hope this thing is very clear to you. Here directly we are applying the formula. Formula is nothing but Legendre symbol of a and p is equal to a raised to p minus 1 divided by 2 mod of p, right? Here we have substituted the value, then 2 raised to 2 mod of 4 mod of 5, right? And 4 mod of 5 is nothing but it is congruent to minus 1 mod of 5. Why we are finding the minus 1? Because the Legendre symbol value either will have the plus 1, minus 1 or 0. So here we are going for minus 1 only, right? Not for 4. So the Legendre symbol value for 2 and 5 is equal to minus of 1. Now in second problem they are saying here we have to calculate a equal to, they have given 29, m equal to, they have given 5, right? So since a equal to 29 and m is a second operand, and second operand is given 5, and 5 is nothing but equal to p only, right? So now here we have to calculate this thing. Okay, so to calculate this thing we're going to apply the formula over here. So here we have to calculate a, p. Formula is already given, that is 2 raised to a raised to p minus 1 divided by 2 mod of p, right? So this is a formula. So we're going to put all values over here. A is nothing but equal to 29 and 29, and we have p all, right? P is nothing but 5. So this can be written as a, right? A is nothing but equal to 29. Here we have 29 p minus 1. P is nothing but 5. 5 minus 1 is nothing but 4. 4 by 2 is nothing but 2. So 29 square mod of p, and p is nothing but 5, right? So here 29 divided by 29, this is not a divide by, right? It is called legendary symbol of 29 and 5 is congruent to 29 square, right? If you're going to calculate 29 square, here we'll get 841 and 841 mod of 5, and 841 mod of 5 is nothing but equal to 1, right? So this is 29. So this is a legendary symbol of 29 and 5, right? And the legendary symbol of 29 and 5 is nothing but equal to 1. So this is second problem. In similar way, we can solve the problem number 3 also. In problem number 3, here they have given, here we have a equal to 4 and m equal to 11, right? Here we have a equal to 4 and m equal to 11. So we can write a equal to, they have given 4 and m equal to 11, and it is nothing but equal to p, right? So here we can write 4 by 11 we need to calculate. So 4 can be written as 2 square, right? And 2 square divided by, since you know the property of this legendary symbol, and the property says that if you have a square by p, so the result will be directly equal to 1. No need to calculate anything, right? So we can apply this property over here, and by applying the property here we can say a is nothing but equal to 2, and we have the 2 square divided by p is nothing but 11, so directly we can write a 1. No need to calculate anything, right? So this is a shortcut method to calculate. So now in similar way we can go for the problem number 5 also. The problem number 4, not 5, right? So in problem number 5 here they have given a equal to 10 and m equal to 5, right? So a equal to 10 and m equal to 5 is given. This is nothing but equal to p. So here we can write 10 by 10 and 5, right? So in this particular case here you can say 10 is directly divided by 5. If the first term is directly divided by the second term, in that particular case you can directly write the value 0, right? No need to apply the formula of Euler, right? So without applying the formula directly you can write this thing, because here 10 is directly divided by 5. So this is the answer of the fourth question. So hence we have completed the type A of nothing but type A has been completed of type number 4. So this is the end of this lecture. From the coming lecture we'll start the type number B. Thank you.